Is it time to buy or sell Incannex Healthcare stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Incannex Healthcare. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 29th of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of July, 2025, our system has identified Incannex Healthcare as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.25. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 387.25% since we first designated Incannex Healthcare as a buy candidate 16 days ago. This equates to an average return of 24.20% per day since it was classified as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are expected. The current 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 59.36% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 49.07% to 147.29%. In terms of the longer view, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of negative 57.45%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 100% to negative 36.22% over the coming year. In practical terms, this means the future price could fall between $0 and $0.682. Our latest daily update for Incannex Healthcare features the headline, Volatile Ride for Incannex Healthcare Limited stock price on Tuesday, moving between 82 cents and $1.18. The Incannex Healthcare Limited stock price decreased by 10.08% on the last day, which was Tuesday, the 29th of July, 2025, falling from $1.19 to $1.07. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 43.9%, reaching a day low of 82 cents and a day high of $1.18. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 214.71% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume dropped by 285,000 shares, with a total of 75 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $80,002,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $3.12, while the lowest was 8 cents. Currently, the price is 65.71%, or $2.05, below the 52-week high, and 98.89%, or $95, below the all-time high recorded on the 14th of March, 2022, when the price peaked at $96.07. Incannex Healthcare, traded under the ticker IXHL, has recently made significant strides in the biopharmaceutical landscape, particularly in its obstructive sleep apnea program. On the 25th of July, the company announced the appointment of Dr. Charlene E. Gamaldo to its clinical advisory board, following similar appointments in June, including Dr. Douglas B. Kirsch. These additions are likely to enhance the company's expertise and strengthen its research efforts. Earlier this month, IXHL achieved a major milestone with the database lock for its Phase 2 Reposa clinical trial for IHL42X, further validating its research trajectory. This milestone positions the company well ahead of critical results, which may uplift investor confidence and positively impact the stock price in the short term. Additionally, previous announcements regarding the advancement to Phase 3 trials following FDA protocol clearance have established a solid foundation for future developments. Moreover, IXHL's strategic decision to cancel Series A warrants has streamlined its capital structure and mitigated potential dilution, a factor likely to be viewed favorably by investors. With the reduction in outstanding shares due to this cancellation, the potential for share price appreciation in the long term seems promising. Overall, With its ongoing focus on advancing innovative drug therapies and effective financial management, IXHL appears to be on a progressive path that could significantly enhance its market valuation and shareholder returns in both the short and long term. Analysts have assigned Incannex Healthcare stock a general strong sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Incannex Healthcare. The Incannex Healthcare Limited stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average sits above the long-term average, this indicates a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $1.09. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average near 41 cents and 3/100ths. A break through the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will signal a sell. Additionally, a buy signal is indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. There are also some negative signals that may affect short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, July 24, 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 34.36%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. During the last trading day, volume declined alongside the price, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 11 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 17 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 16 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 23 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 3 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Incannex Healthcare. Incannex Healthcare Limited finds support from accumulated volume at $1.05. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits significant volatility throughout the day, and given the large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated 360 cents between its high and low points, reflecting a movement of approximately 43.9%. In the last week, the stock's daily average volatility was 35.23%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Incannex Healthcare, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price compared to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is experiencing financial losses. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios could suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of September, 2025. Analysts are projecting consensus estimates at negative 290 cents. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Incannex Healthcare. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Incannex Healthcare is at $1.19. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Incannex Healthcare encounters its first support level at $1.05. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Incannex Healthcare from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 23rd of October, 2024, when Barbado Luigi M. conducted an insider purchase of 100,476 shares of common stock. A recommended stop loss is set at $1.01, reflecting a decrease of 5.62%. This stock experiences very high daily movements, which contributes to a significant level of risk. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top identified 3 days ago. Is Incannex Healthcare stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for Incannex Healthcare Limited stock to perform well in the near future. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 30th of July, we anticipate Incannex Healthcare to open lower by approximately 4.67 cents, starting at $1.02. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at StockInvest.